So hello my dear friends, many people are getting difficulty in downloading the Center City Sleep. So I will just help you. You just go to the CUET NTA website, that is cuet.nta.nic.in, and this is your main page. Okay, so if you see that and you keep scrolling, you will go below and there will be a city intimation for CUET PG 23 examination at the last. Okay, सेकेंड में आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग हियर यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक हियर. द मोमेंट यू विल बी क्लिकिंग हियर जस्ट on that city intimation center, like this it will open. Okay, so after clicking you will get this kind of interface, and here it's very easy. Now you have to fill all the details what you have written during what you have got during the form application, that is application number, then you will have date of birth, then you have security pin. So chalo, let us put into, and I'm also doing that for my friend. So here I have opened, you can see that. So first is application number. I will be just putting the application number, and after application number I have just copy pasted. Because of security reason I have hide it, and you can check out our NviNomics app. NviNomics app so many contents are free available for CUET PG Economics. Okay, you please check it out there, and in between I am filling the all details, application number, then date of birth, then entry of security pin. All these I have I hide because of security reason. Try to understand. And फिर इसके बाद क्या होगा, you will get your own card. Okay, तो फाइनली मैंने यहाँ पर डाउनलोड कर लिया है वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड का. यू कैन सी हियर. सो लाइक दिस यू विल गेट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन कि आपका नाम क्या, एप्लीकेशन नंबर, फादर्स नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ वगैरह वगैरह, एंड ऑल डिटेल. एंड दिस इज नॉट द एडमिट कार्ड. एडमिट कार्ड विल कम आफ्टर 1 or 2 days. ओके गाइज. ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. प्लीज शेयर इट among your other friends so that they will not face any problem. And please subscribe this channel. Please share this video, and there will be official Telegram channel. Please join it. See you soon in the next video.